Hi, I'm Heidi Hoyes, and I'm here in Expert Village to show you how to ice a wedding cake. Right now I'm going to get the sides. Just kind of want to get the sides. You want to do it always towards you. You can do it away from you, but you can't see what's going on. You want to do it towards you. Maybe I should have told you what this was. Now that I think of it. Just kind of fill in the sides. And you may have gaps, you may have, holes in your cake. That can always, you can always cover that up with icing. Icing comes in handy. Towards you. Get some more icing on your spatula is what I call it. Just kind of go around. Get all the extra crumbs out. And you smooth it out as best as you can.